cheeseburger and a spicy chicken sandwich. Do you have two sandwiches in your deal?
No, I got nuggets.
Also, it's a kids thing.
Get the $4 meal deal that comes from here in Huntington.
This is the all-new 2016 Chevy Malibu. Check it out. Do it again. This car has a feature built-in called Full Driver technology, which lets parents see how their teens are driving. It even mutes the radio so the seatbelt.
Get back on the boys, get the car. Like, does it have what my idea?
That's technology.